If you want to unlock the full power of your Mac, you need to install Homebrew. It is known as the missing package manager for macOS, and it allows you to install thousands of powerful tools and apps directly from your command line. Here is exactly how to set it up in less than 2 minutes. First, open your web browser and head over to the official website at brew.sh. Right there on the homepage, under the Install Homebrew header, you will see a single line of code. This is the official installation script. Click the copy icon next to that command to save it to your clipboard. Next, you need to open the Terminal app. You can find it by pressing Command and Space at the same time to open Spotlight. Then simply type Terminal and hit Enter. Once the window opens, paste the command you just copied and press Enter. The terminal will now ask for your Mac's password to authorize the installation. Keep in mind that as you type your password, the cursor will not move and no characters will appear on the screen. This is a standard security feature in macOS. Just type it in and hit Enter. Now simply wait for the process to finish. Homebrew will automatically download and install the necessary command line tools from Apple and set up its own environment. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few minutes. I already installed it on this machine, so what you are seeing is just the logs that it went through after installing Brew. Once you see the installation successful message, you are all set. You can now start installing apps by simply typing brew install followed by the name of the tool you want. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more Mac Power user tips. Thanks for watching.